The Milky Way. A galaxy with a diameter of over 100,000 light-years and home to an estimated 200 billion stars. It's the cradle of humanity and the cosmic stage for every story we know. But how well do we truly understand it? Recent discoveries are turning our long-held beliefs about the Milky Way on their head. From the discovery of massive structures stretching thousands of light-years to unraveling the secrets of the supermassive black hole at its center, the Milky Way continues to surprise us. Stay tuned, as we dive into groundbreaking revelations that redefine our understanding of the galaxy we call home. Let's start with a simple yet fascinating. The name traces its origins back to ancient Greek mythology. According to legend, the Milky Way represents the spilled breast milk of the goddess Hera. The word galaxy itself comes from the Greek galaxias, which means milk. This poetic imagery captured the imagination of ancient observers who looked up at the faint, glowing band stretching across the night sky. Today, we know that this milky band is not divine milk but a dense collection of stars, nebulae, and interstellar dust. From Earth's vantage point inside the Milky Way, we only see a small section of our galaxy. This limited perspective underscores how much remains hidden from us, even in our own cosmic neighborhood. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, a cosmic masterpiece with a complex structure. Its most striking features include a thin, rotating plane containing most of the galaxy's stars, gas, and dust. This is where the iconic spiral arms reside. A densely packed, spherical region of stars at the galaxy's center. A vast, diffuse region surrounding the galaxy, containing older stars and mysterious dark matter. While the disk spans approximately 100,000 light-years in diameter, it's relatively thin, only about 3,000 light-years thick. At the galactic center, however, the bulge swells to a thickness of 16,000 light-years. This intricate architecture serves as a stage for phenomena that challenge our understanding of astrophysics. At the heart of the Milky Way lies Sagittarius A, pronounced A-star, a supermassive black hole with over 4 million times the mass of our Sun. While the existence of black holes might seem extraordinary, they're actually a common feature of galaxies. Most large galaxies host a supermassive black hole at their center. Sagittarius A is currently dormant, meaning it's not actively consuming matter or emitting significant energy. However, recent studies have revealed that Sagittarius A once had a much more violent past. The remnants of its activity include massive bubbles of gamma-ray and X-ray emissions that extend tens of thousands of light-years above and below the galactic plane. These Fermi bubbles are like cosmic scars, marking the black hole's turbulent history. One of the most jaw-dropping discoveries in recent years is the identification of a massive, 16,000 light-year-long magnetic structure rising far above and below the Milky Way's galactic plane. These structures, known as magnetic filaments, originate not from the galactic center but from regions of intense star formation. Astronomers believe they're the result of overlapping supernova explosions. The collective energy of these stellar deaths creates powerful galactic winds that sculpt the interstellar medium into dramatic forms. How many stars does the Milky Way contain? The estimates range from 100 billion to 400 billion. The discrepancy arises from the difficulty of observing stars in the galactic core and the faint outer reaches. And if each star hosts 1 to 2 planets on average, the Milky Way could contain between 100 and 800 billion planets. These numbers ignite our imagination. How many of these planets could harbor life? In 2022, researchers estimated that the Milky Way might host at least 36 advanced civilizations. While this number is speculative, it reminds us of the galaxy's immense potential for harboring diverse forms of life. The Milky Way is not alone in the cosmos. It's part of a collection of about 35 galaxies, including Andromeda and the Triangulum Galaxy. The local group is, in turn, part of which itself belongs to an enormous structure spanning over 500 million light-years. Recent studies suggest that our understanding of the Milky Way's place in the universe may be wrong. New gravitational mapping shows that our galaxy might not belong to the Laniakea supercluster at all but to the much larger. This reclassification reshapes our understanding of the Milky Way's cosmic neighborhood. The Milky Way's history is marked by colossal collisions. One of the most significant events occurred about 10 billion years ago when the Milky Way merged with a smaller galaxy known as Gaia Enceladus. This merger likely introduced new stars, altered the Milky Way's structure, and even affected the behavior of Sagittarius A. The black hole's unusual rotation and tilt suggest it once merged with another massive black hole, a relic from the dwarf galaxy it devoured. Studying the Milky Way is not just about understanding our galaxy, it's about understanding the universe itself. By unraveling the mysteries of our galactic home, we gain insights into the formation of stars, planets, and life. Imagine the technological and scientific advancements that could arise from studying phenomena like magnetic filaments or the behavior of supermassive black holes. These discoveries have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of physics and inspire future generations to look to the stars. The Milky Way is more than just a galaxy, it's a treasure trove of cosmic wonders and a testament to the beauty of the universe. From its ancient myths to its cutting-edge discoveries, it continues to captivate our imagination. What do you think about these incredible revelations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The Milky Way, our cosmic home. Stretching across the night sky as a faint, glowing band, it holds mysteries that have intrigued humanity for centuries. But despite all the scientific advancements, our galaxy continues to surprise us with its vast complexity and hidden secrets. What makes the Milky Way unique? How did it form? And what secrets lie in its spiral arms, its magnetic fields, and the monstrous black hole at its center? Join us as we embark on a journey to explore our galactic home in breathtaking detail. From its mythical origins to the latest discoveries, this is the ultimate guide to the Milky Way. Our story begins with an age-old. The name originates from ancient Greek mythology. The Greeks believed the galaxy was the spilled breast milk of the goddess Hera, creating a celestial river of stars. This poetic vision is reflected in the name galaxy, derived from the Greek word galaxias, meaning milky. Ancient cultures across the globe also viewed the Milky Way with reverence. In Roman mythology, it was called Via Lactea, or Milky Road. Indigenous peoples often described it as a path of ancestors or a bridge to the heavens. While the myths are enchanting, the truth is even more awe-inspiring. The glowing band we see in the night sky is actually the light of billions of stars. These stars are so densely packed that their light blends together, creating the milky appearance. However, we can only see a fraction of the Milky Way from our vantage point. Located within one of its spiral arms, Earth's view of the galaxy is obscured by interstellar dust and gas. Modern telescopes and instruments allow us to peer through these barriers, revealing a galaxy far more complex than ancient observers could have imagined. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, one of the most common types of galaxies in the universe. Its structure is both elegant and intricate, consisting of several key components. This flat, rotating disk is where most of the galaxy's stars, gas, and dust reside. It's also home to the iconic spiral arms. These are regions of higher density, rich in young stars and star-forming regions. The Sun is located in a minor arm called the Orion Arm. At the center of the Milky Way is the bulge, a densely packed region of stars surrounding the supermassive black hole. Extending far beyond the disk, the halo contains older stars and mysterious dark matter that holds the galaxy together. The bar in barred spiral galaxies is a dense, elongated structure of stars and gas that spans the galaxy's center. Recent studies suggest that this bar plays a crucial role in shaping the Milky Way's spiral arms and funneling gas toward the galactic core, fueling star formation. Let's put the Milky Way's size into perspective. 1. Diameter, over. 2. Thickness, approximately in most areas, but up to at the galactic bulge. 3. Star count, estimates range from. 4. Planet count, based on the average number of planets per star, there could be in the. To visualize these numbers, imagine counting one star per second. It would take you over to count just 100 billion stars. The scale of our galaxy is truly staggering. At the very center of the Milky Way lies a supermassive black hole with a mass equivalent. Despite its immense gravity, Sagittarius is surprisingly quiet. Unlike the active black holes found in quasars, it isn't currently consuming large amounts of matter. However, its past activity has left behind clues, such as massive structures of gamma-ray emissions extending 25,000 light-years above and below the galactic plane. These bubbles are thought to be remnants of an ancient feeding frenzy. Columns of hot gas that stretch outward, hinting at explosive events in the past. Stars are the building blocks of galaxies, and the Milky Way is no exception. From massive, short-lived blue giants to tiny, long-lived red dwarfs, the diversity of stars in the Milky Way is staggering. Stars form in dense clouds of gas and dust, known as. Over millions of years, gravity pulls the material together, igniting nuclear fusion and creating a new star. As stars age, their fate depends on their mass. 1. Low-mass stars, like our Sun, become. 2. High-mass stars explode as leaving behind neutron stars or black holes. The Milky Way's oldest stars, located in the halo, are offering a glimpse into the early universe. Astronomers recently discovered magnetic filaments stretching above and below the Milky Way's plane. These structures are likely the result of supernova explosions and provide clues about the galaxy's magnetic field. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that makes up about. While it doesn't emit or absorb light, its gravitational effects are essential for explaining the Milky Way's rotation and structure. The Milky Way isn't static, it's constantly evolving. It rotates at an average speed. This means it takes the Sun about to complete one orbit around the galactic center. The Milky Way is also on a collision course with the largest member of the local group. In about the two galaxies will merge, forming a new galaxy often referred to as Milkomeda. As the universe continues to expand, the Milky Way will change in remarkable ways. The eventual merger with Andromeda will reshape its structure, creating a massive elliptical galaxy. However, long before that, the Milky Way will continue to form new stars and planets, potentially nurturing life in regions we can only dream of exploring. The Milky Way is a cosmic masterpiece, a dynamic and ever-changing entity that holds the secrets of the universe within its spiral arms. As we continue to study our galactic home, we deepen our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. If you enjoyed this journey through the Milky Way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cosmic explorations. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering about the stars. 1. Like and subscribe, encourage viewers to engage with your channel. 2. Comments, invite discussion about the Milky Way and other topics. 3. Teasers, mention upcoming videos about Andromeda, dark matter,